say all together.
The spot we just left is called the Flying Fish, and it's located in South Philly. But I just wanted to show you how people in South Philly park. Like, this is normal everyday parking. They park in the center aisle of the street. Couldn't get away with this in North Philly. This is how they park all day, every day.
What kind of sodas you drink, Sister Tab?
I really don't drink soda, but if I do, it's Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke. But I really don't drink sodas.
Oh, okay.
I try not to.
Oh, so basically when you say you ain't in the mood for no juice right now, you just really saying, I ain't thirsty. Gotcha. Clam, this is my pimping right there.
Yeah. Trying to let the people see what downtown South Philly looks like. Well, it's Center City now, but. Good old Wham.
somebody going with it? I'm asking for a hot dog. Alright.
They have to be selling. Because why would they just be grilling in the middle of Board Street?
Selling a hot dog. Those for the homeless. That's nice.
Folks say I ain't gonna play with them.
I ain't playing. I'm
homeless.
serious. I'm asking for a hot dog.
Yeah, hey, folks say I'm hungry for real, for real. I opens up the inside.
Oh, okay. I love the claws. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I knocks those off.
See the dominoes?
Oh, the parcheesies and all that?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Parcheesi pieces. If we was closer, you see checker pieces too, and bingo pieces, and some things like that.
So we gotta walk around down here too.
I know, we haven't been down here in so long.
Go to the rental terminal.
Yeah.
Graduation building.
Ain't that right? That's fly. That's brand new too. Brand new building. That was fly. And when we graduated from William Penn, we weren't at the Taj Mahal, whatever, down Temple. We was up West Philly somewhere.
This is Hanneman University Hospital. They're closing this hospital.
Oh, they are?
Yep. You didn't hear about that?
Mm-mm.
They're closing it. The workers are striking. Well, not striking, but picketing, trying to, I guess, get the hospital administrators not to close. But they're losing like $1 million a day. They can't afford to keep it open.
Damn, $1 million a day?
That's what they're saying. So they're closing the hospital.
What they picking for?
They closed the ER. They're diverting patients elsewhere.
I don't know what they picking for.
And this is like a North Philly staple. Like, where are you going to go if you're in this part of North Philly?
Go to Temple. What they picking for?
Damn.
Hospital
How you didn't hear about that?
That's the old, what was that for? Not starter, but it used to be the old, what school that used to be right there, folk? Starter, and then what was right next to it?
Oh shit. I don't I don't know. I think they both was started flashing.
Yeah, that was starter.
No,
Both of them started flashing.
No. One of them was starter, and right next to it is another school. I forgot what.
No, that's Ben Franklin.
That's still Ben Franklin High School?
Mm-hmm.
It's Ben Franklin High School, one of the biggest high schools in North Philly.
And FLC is right behind it. That was the first one.
What? What was?
Franklin Learning Center, FLC, right behind it.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Fred Robb and them used to go to that wrong, you know what I'm saying?
It was a all boys school first, and then they integrated the girls.
No, it was all girls, then they integrated the boys.
First year I went to, it became all girls. They all integrated.
That stands produce over on your left. That's another seafood spot.
Better deals.
I know, but I know they probably jam-packed today, if they're even open. Oh, they have a Caribbean restaurant there, Flambeau. There's the Met, newly renovated.
You got Madonna coming there?
Oh yeah, they hooked that old building up, didn't
Madonna
they?
coming to the Met.
What? They gonna have it down in North Philly.
That's where Gameworld went to.
That's Cameron's. That's a really good seafood. We bought our live crabs from there and cooked them ourselves in the past.
They got Madonna coming to the Met.
Oh, these motherfuckers is dirty except for KFC. Shit stink. I've been up in the joint. I was hungry. I had to
Where
roll.
you at?
I had to roll. McDonald's, Checkers.
You go put that on.
KFC, cool. Oh, they
This
were
is
no more
land
but
being
12, 11
developed
years
by
old
Temple.
and younger. And they was loud too, cussing on purpose. They
It's
had to
housing
chase
over
out
there for Temple students.
Hey, folk, you know I ain't never been to that wild before yet. How about you?
Oh, wow. Yeah?
Yeah?
I bet I can't.
You went swimming?
No.
Huh.
He's trying to charge us.
Hmm.
I don't pay no money going to swim. We're not real friendly.
I stepped in to see about work, but I mean, I ain't never been there to enjoy it for my enjoyment, you know?
This is all Temple University area. They have a whole bunch of restaurants, bank, AMC movie theater to the left for the students. This here is part of Temple campus, straight above us, straight in front of us, rather.
glasses.
That's what she said.
Okay, that's what she was saying.
These buildings to your left, buildings to the right. All of this is Temple. It's a huge university. That's our SEPTA bus.
Except the bus be talking. I see one said turning left.
Yeah.
I rode a bus with Amazon. I'm gonna ride the bus. Spoke Muslim, she smoked that cigarette.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Spoke Muslim, she smoking a cigarette.
It's gang related.